Hello, welcome to all to Coding Roast. Today we're gonna talking about the card view, how we can apply a transition to card view, and how we can set visible text to non-visible text to visible whenever a user click on card view. So first of all, what we will do here, we will take a card view, and the width of card view will be match parent, and the height will be wrap content, and the ID will be that is card view, and chord elevation chordal radius will be 10 dp, and chord elevation will be also 10 dp, and margin left will be 10 dp, and right margin as well will be 10 dp, and content padding that will be also 20 dp, and you can see here this is our card view. So now what we will do here, we will take a linear layout inside the card view, so that I may be able to put text inside the linear layout that will be invisible, and whenever a user click on that on card view, that text will be visible to the user. So linear layout that will be wrap content, and id will be that is linear layout, uh, linear layout, and orientation of that linear layout will be orientation will be vertical. So we will take here two text views. First text view, text uh, text view, and wrap content that is okay. So now text style that will be bold, text size that will be 30 dp, and text color will be black, and text will be demo. So this is our first text view, and we will copy this and paste it. Sorry, let me copy this one, control C, and I have to paste it here below this text first text view, and uh, so I have copied some text from the web for just for the demo purpose, so I have to paste it here. Let me paste it. uh, so you can see here this is our second text view, and whenever we have to set its visibility to go on, so that whenever a user click on card view, this text will be visible to the user, otherwise it will be invisible. So first of all, I have to set its visibility, that will be gone, and you can see this is invisible right now, and I have to give this id as well. Id will be text, sorry, detail text. So this is our UI. What we did here, just first of all, we have taken a chord view. Inside chord view we have taken a linear layout, and inside linear layout we have taken two text views, and the visibility of this text view will be invisible right now, and after whenever a user click on this chord view, then the this text will be visible to the user. Now let's move to the backend. So what we will do here, first of all, we will take here a chord view, and that is chord view, and now text view, and that is also, sorry, detail text, and after that linear layout. Okay, linear layout, that is linear layout, and now we have to find their id here. Chord view is equal to find view by id, or dot id dot chord view. Okay, so after that detail text is equal to find v by id, or dot id dot detail text, and now linear layout is equal to, sorry, find v by id, or dot id dot linear layout. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to apply on click on card view. So for that we have to, sorry, card view dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. Inside the on click method, what we have to do, we have to apply a condition. If a text is already visible, we have to make that invisible. If already invisible, then we have to show that on click. So here we will take a variable that is var. Okay, so here we have to check that condition for visibility or non-visibility. So uh, if a detailed text dot get visibility, if a detailed text dot get visibility is equal to, for example, view dot, if already visible, then what we have to do, we have to make that invisible. So view dot view, sorry, view dot gone. If not, if that is not visible, so what we have to do, that we have to make that visible. So view dot visible. Now what we have to do, we have to apply a transition. If a text is visible, we are making that invisible, and if already non-visible, then we have to show that. So whenever this condition is applied to that text, so there would be a transition. So for that, what we have to do, transition manager, transition t okay, transition manager dot begin delayed transition. We have to apply transition on that begin delayed transition, and on which we have to apply transition, that will be our linear layout. Okay, and after that we have to pass it here. The second parameter is auto transition. Okay, so this is our code. Now we have to do here is to, that we have to apply visibility or non-visibility to that text, that is set visibility. Okay, and that is var, the condition we have taken here. So now what we have to do, we have to apply transition type on that linear layout whenever a user on click on card view. So we will write here linear layout. Okay, dot get layout transition, sorry, get layout transition, and dot enable transition type, and the transition type will be uh, layout transition dot changing. So this is our code for so far. So now we have to check our application. Let me run my application. So it will take some time for in Gradle building, so let's wait till that. So our application is installing. It's taking too much time because my Android Studio is too much slow. And now you can see here my application is installed successfully on my emulator. So whenever now I'm click on this card view, then that invisible text is shown here, and the transition is also applied to that card view. So this is basically our tutorial was. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe